couple of days in Bali and I'm sad. I don't want to leave, but this country is like so amazing. I definitely will be back for sure. This is my outfit of the day. Okay. But yeah, I don't want to leave. Like, it's so nice. I got so many souvenirs for good ass prices. Like, you gotta negotiate out here. That's how you win. You give them a price, they're gonna like multiply it by 2 or 3. All you gotta do is say no, walk away. They'll be like, wait, it's good. And that's how you win in Bali. Nah, but yeah, like, I kind of feel bad, like, because it's like living in California in America, you don't realize like how privileged you are. Like, coming out here really opened my eyes, and it made me realize like we really got it made. Like their jobs are to sell cheap ass stuff to us. Like, we can make or break them literally. Like, they depend on us tourists to live. Like, versus in America, like, we kind of depend on each other. Like, we all have money. Out here, no, like, they depend on us. Like, it's kind of crazy, but I love it, and I will be back to this country because it's so cute and amazing, and I love it. Come here! So we're in the lobby on our way to the pool. This pool is so amazing. Like, this pool right here is the shit pool. So we're just waiting for the elevator. So we're currently at the pool or whatever, big chillin' or whatever. Look at these cute little like lounge chairs that they have. That is so cute. Like, I love this hotel. And then this is the pool. That's the view of the ocean. Amazing. Can you imagine? It's just so beautiful. Watching all the surfers surf. I'm in a happy place in life right now. And like, I don't want to leave. But this trip really honestly just motivated me to go harder. Like, work harder in school, work harder at work, like, so I can finish school and so I can go to a beautiful place like this, like, all the time. The little like restaurant dining area. This is the view. Like, wow, that's Kuta Beach right there. So beautiful. I love it here. faster.
I want chip, please.
You want chip? I don't. Never. I don't think I. You guys, do you see what I'm going through? When your friend is savage.
Say hi, Kitty. Why you on my head?